We had been discussing regarding new tax design as proposed in Finance Bill 2023 and what are its benefits, drawbacks and comparisons with respect to existing old tax design and existing new tax design. Now let us understand if suppose the new tax design as proposed in Finance Bill will be implemented and the procedure to be followed for filing Form 10IE. Wherever ITR 1 and 2 is applicable for individual or HUF, then filing of 10IE form is not required. Now coming to individual assessees, where the individual assessee having salaried income. In case of salaried income, what actually happens? The employer asks for declaration from the employee to opt for new tax design or old tax design at the beginning of the financial year. Whatever option the employee exercised can be changed by the employee while filing the tax return or before filing the return by filing Form 10IE. But during the financial year, he cannot go back to the employer and change the option, but he can opt it by filing Form 10IE while filing the return of income. Coming to individual assessees who has income under the head income from business or profession. In this case, old tax design will continue as it is. There is no default applicability of new tax design in case of individuals having income from business or profession. Whereas in case of salaried employees, if employee does not exercise any option, then by default it will go under new tax design. But in case of individual assessees who has income from business or profession, the default regime will be old tax design. If the assessee wants to go to new tax design, then he has to file Form 10IE, otherwise he need not file any form. Here one point has to be remembered, that the individual assessee who has business income can change from old tax design to new tax design, and he can come back to old tax design only once throughout the life. They cannot, under that particular PAN, you cannot go more than once that particular change. This has to be noted by the assessees. In case of HUFs who has income from business or profession, they can change like the employee every year, and they can switch every year 10IE form, and they can switch over either to old or new as they require. If suppose there is no business income, then there is no requirement of filing Form 10IE. Okay, so these are the provisions. Basically, in case of salaried employees, the default tax design will be new tax design. That has to be noted. And in case of individuals having business income, they can opt and come back to the old tax design only once throughout the life of the assessee. They cannot change it more than that. So, in case of individual assessee, overall they can file 10IE form only twice. Once to shift from old tax to new tax, and to come back from new tax to old tax. That's all. Hope it is understandable. Thank you.